Hello everyone. Today we're gonna talk about BMW X3. Especially when you turn your AC on, you can hear this noise. It's like a psi noise. What we're gonna say today, if you have a problem like this, when you turn your AC on, you have a psi sound inside your vehicle or behind your dashboard. The first thing you have to do is call a mechanic guy. They can fix it for you. Okay guys, thank you for listening to me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.